Looking for effective at-home workouts for weight loss? Yearning for a routine that doesn't demand a gym membership? Well, you've come to the right place. Whether you're new to fitness or an experienced athlete, there's always a way to keep in shape at home. We understand the struggle of wanting to stay fit, but not having the time, money, or desire to hit the gym. It's a challenge that many of us face. It doesn't have to be an obstacle. Today, we're diving deep into the world of at-home fitness. We're not just talking about a few push-ups or sit-ups here and there. No, we're discussing real, impactful exercises that can truly make a difference in your weight loss journey. These are workouts that anyone can do, regardless of age or fitness level. All you need is a little space, a bit of dedication, and the right mindset. The beauty of at-home workouts is their versatility. They can be tailored to suit your personal needs, whether you're looking to lose weight, gain muscle, or simply stay active. With the right routine, you can challenge yourself, push your limits, and see noticeable results. What's more, offer a degree of convenience that gyms simply can't match. There's no need to pack a bag, drive to the gym, or wait for equipment. Instead, you can work out whenever and wherever suits you best. Early morning, late at night, during your lunch break, the choice is yours. At-home workouts also provide an excellent opportunity to learn new skills and techniques. From yoga poses to resistance training exercises, there's a wealth of knowledge to be discovered. Moreover, you'll also find a multitude of online resources to guide you through your workouts. With the internet at your fingertips, getting fit has never been more accessible. Yet, despite all these benefits, it's essential to remember that consistency is key. Regular workouts coupled with a balanced diet are crucial to achieving your weight loss goals. It's not always easy, but with determination and perseverance, you can make it happen. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting journey? Today, we're journeying through some of the most effective workouts you can perform right in the comfort of your own living room, no fancy equipment required. First, let's dive into the world of high-intensity interval training, or HIIT. This dynamic form of workout is an intriguing combination of rapid-fire activity and soothing downtime. Its unique structure of intense workouts followed by brief periods of rest makes it a popular choice among fitness enthusiasts and sports stars alike. And today, we want to introduce you to this compelling realm of physical exercise. High-intensity interval training, as HIIT, has the power to transform your regular fitness routine into a riveting journey of strength and endurance. Picture yourself on the training mat, muscles warmed up and ready to take on a challenge that pushes you beyond your comfort zone. It is a thrilling experience that demands your full commitment, but rewards you with impressive results. This form of workout is not just about the intensity, it's about the intervals. It's about alternating between pushing your body to its physical limits and allowing it to recover. The real magic happens in these brief moments of where your body, still humming with exertion, prepares itself for the next round of intense activity. A basic HIIT routine could include a variety of exercises such as jumping jacks, push-ups, and lunges. Each of these exercises is designed to target specific muscle groups, enhancing your overall bodily strength and flexibility. Imagine the sensation of your heart pounding as you push through the jumping jacks, feeling the burn in your muscles as you complete a set of push-ups, and the satisfaction of nailing the perfect lunge. In this routine, you would do each exercise for 30 intense seconds, and then yourself a recouping downtime of 10 seconds. These 10 seconds are your window of recovery, a chance for your muscles to rest before they gear up for the next challenging workout. The idea is to repeat this set of exercises, this circuit, 5 times over. It makes for a vigorous workout session that lasts a full 20 minutes. It might not seem like a long time, but with HIIT, it's not about the duration. It's about the intensity and the quality of workout. You can start with a basic HIIT routine that includes exercises like jumping jacks, push-ups, and lunges. Do each exercise for 30 seconds, then rest for 10 seconds before moving on to the next. Repeat this circuit 5 times for a vigorous 20-minute workout. Next up is a bodyweight circuit. Here we delve into a regimen that pays no heed to additional weights, but harnesses the power of your own body to create resistance. This routine highlights the beauty of simplicity, drawing its strength from physical exercises that require nothing more than your own body weight. What does this mean, you ask? Well, it means that there is absolutely no need for extraneous equipment like dumbbells or barbells. The brilliance of these exercises lies in their ability to challenge multiple muscle groups and provide significant health benefits without the requirement of specialized gear. They allow you to build strength, flexibility, and balance, all while promoting weight loss and fitness. Some of the most effective and widely adopted bodyweight exercises include squats, plank, and glute bridges. Each of these exercises have a unique focus, offering different benefits. Squats, for example, are a comprehensive lower body workout, targeting your hamstrings and calves. The plank, on the other hand, is a full body exercise that strengthens your core, improves your posture, and boosts your balance. Meanwhile, glute bridges primarily target the muscles of your lower back and buttocks, enhancing strength and stability in these. Let's talk about how you should perform these exercises. Ideally, you should dedicate 1 full minute to each exercise. Spend this minute focused on form and breathing, ensuring you squeeze every bit of effectiveness out of the exercise. Once you have completed an exercise, allow yourself a brief rest of 20 seconds. This rest is crucial as it lets your body recover, recharge, and prepare for the next exercise. After your rest, it's time to move on to the next exercise. This sequence of exercise and rest should be repeated each of the exercises mentioned. Now, to extract the maximum benefits from this bodyweight circuit, it's recommended that you complete this circuit not once, not twice, but thrice. Yes, completing this circuit 3 times will lead to a solid 30-minute workout. This will help you to improve cardiovascular fitness, muscle strength, and overall health. So what are you waiting for? Get into your workout gear and start your bodyweight circuit journey. And remember, consistency is key. Complete this circuit 3 times for a solid 30-minute workout. Ever heard of Tabata? This extraordinary fitness routine hails from the land of the rising sun, Japan. A creation of Japanese scientist Dr. Izumi Tabata and his team of researchers from the National Institute of Fitness and Sports. This unique, high-intensity workout is designed for maximum effectiveness. The structure of the workout is simple but intense. It kicks off with a rapid 20-second burst of energy, of all-out effort that pushes your body to its limits. This isn't a leisurely jog in the park, but a full-throttle sprint. The aim is to elevate your heart rate, to surge the adrenaline, to create a wave of energy that engulfs your entire being. Then, just as your lungs are gasping for air and your muscles are screaming for mercy, comes the rest period. But this isn't a long, drawn-out breather. No, it's just 10 short seconds. 10 seconds to catch your breath, to ready yourself, to prepare for the next wave of intensity about to come crashing down. This cycle, this pattern of exertion and rest, is repeated not once, not twice, but 8 grueling times. That's a total of 4 intense minutes. It may not sound lengthy, but when you're in the thick of it, every second seems to stretch on forever. But remember, the beauty of Tabata lies in its brevity. It's short, it's sweet, and it's incredibly effective. The beauty of the Tabata workout is its versatility. It can incorporate a multitude of exercises, letting tailor the workout to your needs. A basic Tabata routine may include sweat-inducing exercises such as burpees, a full-body workout that combines a squat, a push-up, and a jump. Other exercises may include high knees, a great cardio and strength exercise, and mountain climbers, an excellent core and cardio workout. This 4-minute routine might sound easy, but don't be fooled. It's a real calorie burner. Try a basic Tabata routine with exercises such as burpees, high knees, and mountain climbers. Yoga might not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think about weight loss, but it can actually be a potent tool to burn calories and tone your body. Perhaps this might seem a little surprising. After all, yoga is often viewed as a practice focused more on relaxation and mindfulness, rather than a calorie-burning exercise. Yet, look closer and you'll find that yoga encompasses much more than meditative poses and deep breathing. It is a holistic discipline that can contribute significantly to overall physical fitness and weight loss in a unique and gentle manner. So, how does this work? Consider a yoga flow that includes poses like Downward Dog, Warrior 1 and 2, and Chaturanga. Each of these yoga poses, or asanas as they're called in Sanskrit, brings its own set of physical benefits. Downward Dog, for instance, is an inversion that can enhance blood circulation, build upper body strength, and stretch your hamstrings. Warrior 1 and 2 are standing poses that work on your legs, hips, and core, promoting muscle tone and strength. Chaturanga, on the other hand, is a powerful pose that works essentially like a push-up, strengthening your arms, shoulders, and chest. What's fascinating is that, in a typical yoga class, you're expected to hold each pose for 5 breaths. This might not sound like much, but when you're in the midst of holding a challenging pose, 5 breaths can feel like an eternity. The process of holding these poses, combined with the movement from one asana to the next each exhale, creates a flow. This flow is a dynamic sequence that keeps your body active and engaged, fostering calorie burn. Moreover, the beauty of yoga is that it doesn't just work on the physical aspect, it also encourages mental focus. As you hold each pose, you're required to maintain your attention, blocking out external distractions. This heightened sense of mindfulness can help improve your concentration, reduce stress, and promote a sense of balance, benefits that often complement and enhance your weight loss journey. Imagine dedicating just 30 minutes of your day to this holistic practice. A 30-minute yoga flow can not only help improve flexibility and strength, but also cultivate mental focus. Yoga is a practice that strikes an incredible balance between the mind, body, and spirit, an integration that can indeed support and promote weight loss in a manner that's both enjoyable and sustainable. A 30-minute yoga flow can help improve flexibility, strength, and mental focus. Lastly, never overlook the value of good old-fashioned cardiovascular exercises. This could be in the form of running or walking in place, or even busting out a few dance moves in the privacy of your own living room. Despite the innovation of modern workout equipment and fitness apps, nothing truly replaces the simple act of physical movement to get your heart rate up and calories burning. It's integral to remember that cardio is not just about running or walking. You can incorporate dancing too. Whether it's a fast-paced salsa or a slow waltz, the movement keeps your body active and heart healthy. Dancing is also a great way to release stress and express creativity while working towards your fitness goals. If dancing isn't your thing, you can also try climbing up and down your stairs. This is a great way to incorporate exercise within your daily routine. Climbing stairs requires more effort than walking, which means you burn more calories. It's an effective, convenient, and cost-free method of exercise, can be done without leaving your home. Regardless of the type of cardio you choose, the ultimate goal should be consistency. Strive to make physical exercise a part of your everyday life. Aim for at least 30 minutes of cardio a day for optimal weight loss. Remember, it's not just about losing weight, but also about maintaining a healthy lifestyle. So lace up those sneakers and get moving. Consistency is key when it comes to weight loss. This principle is the cornerstone of any fitness journey. Consistency in your effort, consistency in your motivation, and above all, consistency in your dedication. Choose a workout that you enjoy and can stick with. It's important to find a fitness regimen that captivates your interest and keeps you coming back for more. From yoga to weightlifting, running, or even dancing, the possibilities are endless. The goal is to choose a routine that is fun, engaging, and aligns with your personal fitness goals. Don't be afraid to mix it up to keep things interesting. Variety is not only the spice of life, but also the essential ingredient in a successful workout regime. Changing your exercises, incorporating diverse movements, or even alternating workout environments can help to keep your fitness journey fresh, invigorating, and most importantly, effective. Breaking the monotony of a repetitive workout routine can significantly boost your motivation and engagement levels. Listening to your body is of paramount importance. Your body has a unique language that communicates its limitations, its strengths, and its readiness. It is essential to attune yourself to these signals when you need to, not when you have pushed beyond your threshold. Listen to your body's cues and acknowledge the importance of recovery and rest. Push when you can. Challenge yourself. Break your own records, but always within your body's boundaries. Constantly aspire to better yourself, to push your boundaries, and to strive for growth. It's not about how fast you can go, but rather well you can maintain your form. Always prioritize form over speed to avoid injury. This is a crucial aspect of any workout. Incorrect form can lead to unnecessary strains, sprains, and injuries that can set back your progress. Now it's your turn to take these workouts and make them your own. Start by incorporating them little by little into your daily routine. Small, consistent changes can have an exponential impact over time. Before you know it, you'll start to see and feel the changes in your body. These changes may be subtle at first, but over time, they will become more pronounced and noticeable. And don't forget to share your progress. It's always inspiring to see how others are reaching their fitness goals. Sharing your progress not only motivates you, but it also inspires others around you. It creates a community motivation and encouragement. So get started and enjoy the journey. Each day is a step forward, bringing you closer to your goal. You have the strength, the power, and the determination. You're stronger and closer than you think.